Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair Urbanista London earbuds with any Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, before the pairing, remember to charge them for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, you have to open the charging case and click and hold this button. Then hold it until this indicator starts blinking. Okay, right now release the button, put it close to your laptop, and do not close this charging cover. Go to the settings, go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices, and right now turn it on with this switcher. Then click to add device and select Bluetooth. Now just wait until they show on the list. Okay, right now we can find them, so click on them once, click done, and at the end, if you want to use the microphone of your earbuds, you have to go to the system, open the sound, and for the input, you have to manually switch for your Urbanista London. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.